So you're buying a house and it has solar panels. Okay, this video is for you if you're getting a mortgage for that house you're trying to buy. Okay, so before we get into what goes into that, the video is not about whether solar panels are a scam or they're right for you or wrong for you or the pros and cons of solar. Okay, if it's right for you, great. If it's not, great. Okay, this is about that person, you, that is trying to buy a home that has solar panels on it. All right, so the first step, what you have to look at doing is, does it even have a loan, a solar panel loan? Because let's talk about what a solar panel loan means real quick. If that seller went out and they got a loan for $25,000, right, for solar panels, well, that's a second mortgage now. So you have their first mortgage that they use to buy the house or refinance or whatever. Then you have that second loan, that solar panel loan of $25,000 attached to the property. Well, when you're going in to buy it and you have a mortgage involved, the lender that's giving you the loan is going to want that loan taken care of. That loan has to be addressed. Okay, there's no hiding it at all. All right, and so what you have to look at doing is a few things really. Is you only have a couple different options, and so when you're going to buy the house, one is, are you just going to pay it off? So the first step of that is it part of the purchase price? So they're asking $300,000 and they have a $25,000 solar panel loan against it. Well, when you go to buy that home, does your purchase price cover their mortgage plus profit plus the solar panels? If it does, you're fine. Okay, but if it doesn't, and the seller says, well, look, we want to, the buyer wants to just assume the solar panels. All right, so you have a solar panel loan that has to get assumed by you, the buyer. Well, this is where things are going to get tricky, okay? Because you got to find out a few different things. One is, how much is that loan balance? So find that out first. Get the terms of their solar panel loans and the balance, right? How much do they pay every month and what is the balance? Because guess what? You, the buyer, if you assume that loan, you're going to be making those payments now. It may kill the deal, right? You may be like, no, it's not worth it. We don't want to do that. $700 a month, $800 a month. Could be too much, okay? So do you want to assume that mortgage, or that loan, do you want to assume that monthly payment? That's part one of that. And then part two of that is, will the loan you're getting allow you to assume it? So an example being, you have loan to values, right? How much you're borrowing versus what the house is worth. That's a 80% loan to value. Sales price is I'm gonna use the round numbers, right? $100,000. My loan amount's $80,000. That loan to value is 80%. So it's 20% equity, okay? Well, what if you're going to buy that house and the solar panel loan is $20,000? Just use that number, okay? So you have borrower, sales price $100,000. They're getting a loan for 80%, $80,000 loan. And then you have that $20,000 second mortgage onto it, all right? So that $20,000 second mortgage gets added onto your new loan amount of $80,000 because you agreed to pay $100,000 and you would assume the solar panel loan, okay? Hope this is making sense. So that solar panel loan gets stacked on top of the $80,000 mortgage. Now you're no longer an 80% loan to value. Now you bring in what's called a CLTV, a combined loan to value. Combined loan to value being, here's my $80,000 first mortgage, here's my new $20,000 solar panel loan that I am assuming 80 plus 20, okay, that's going to equal $100,000. Your loan to value went from being 80% loan to value to now being 100% combined loan to value, 100% CLTV. Probably going to squash the deal. Your lenders are probably not going to like that. Okay, look at other options as well. If you're putting 50% down on something, okay, you're putting a ton of money down on this house, and you're still having to add or to assume this solar panel loan. Well, if that solar panel loan takes you from a 50% loan to value to an 80% loan to value, combined loan to value, I hate to say it, you may be getting a worse rate now. Okay, that combined loan to value going up could affect your rate. So there's a lot of things to think about when you're looking at solar panels involving a mortgage. Okay, you're getting an FHA mortgage, 3.5% down. how's that solar panel loan going to stack on top of your FHA loan? Okay, it's going to be case-by-case basis. But what I want to, my number one piece of advice for you is find out, one, how much they owe, the terms of the solar panel loan, and then consult with the lender that pre-approved you. Hey, they're asking $300. I want to offer that, but they want everyone to assume their $50,000 solar panel loan. Talk it out with your lender. Okay, see how it can work out, because it's not going to be a bang situation. All right, you can't just willy-nilly stack something on top of your new first mortgage that you're getting and expect the lender to be okay with it. All right, so hope that helps. Anything we can do, call my office. We're here licensed in a ton of states in Florida, in the U.S. All right, so reach out anytime. 239-437-4278. And if you know anyone looking at solar panel houses, share this content with them. Hopefully it'll help them out. See you.